picture muna tayo and smile. Ayan. Sunod dito at ayan. Okay, maraming salamat. Palakpakin naman natin ang ating Tatay Frisco Dalisay. And next we have Mr. John Lloyd Bulanhagi. Palakpakin naman si John Lloyd, ang bunsong anak ng ating celebrant. John Lloyd, picture muna. And it's time to dance with Mama.
Sa buhay kong ito, tanging pangarap lang ang iyong pagmamahal ay makamtan. Kahit na sandali, ikaw ay mamasdan. Ligaya'y tila ba wala.
Once again, isang malakas na palakpakan for Mr. John Lloyd Bulanhagi. Kasama po ang ating birthday celebrant, Ma'am Alma. At syempre, tawagin na rin natin ang panganay na anak ng ating pong celebrant. Please welcome Mr. Davidson Bulanhagi. Palakpakan tayo.
Pagkat sa buhay mo ay may nagmamahal pa rin. Iingatan ka, aalagaan ka. Sa puso ko, ikaw ang pag-asa. Sa ating may gagabay sa'yo.
There we have it once again, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan po natin Mr. Davidson Bulanhagi, ang panganay na anak ng Mama Alma. And to complete our 18 Red Roses, hindi lamang po sayaw ang ating mapapanood, kundi isang espesyal na serenade mula sa pinaka-espesyal at importanteng tao sa buhay po ng ating pag-celebrate. Walang iba kundi ang kanyang butihing asawa. Isang malakas ng palakpakan, may sigawan as we welcome Mr. Gringo Bulanhagi.
I will love you always. I promise I'll give you the best, my love. You mean more than life to me. I love you more than words can say. You'll be the only one that I love for always, forever to cherish. I want you close to me.
Palakpakan naman mula sa ating live audience.
And hold you endlessly. And feel you burn in my arms always. Yes, you are my sunshine. You are the reason that I wait for, and there's nothing I won't do more. I need you. I need to have you in my life. I want you always by my side, now and for always. Whisper these words to me and hold them endlessly together. Just you and me forever. I want to spend with you, baby, my whole life through. Every moment loving you.
Isang malakas na palakpakan naman mula sa ating live audience. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, muli isang malakas na palakpakan for Mr. Gringo Bulanhagi. At syempre,